I am an ocean of knowledge and possibilities.
I am accessible. I am the frequency that defines culture. I am the change.
Locally and globally. I am dancing into the bright future. I am a student. I am a teacher.
I am a counselor. We are the designers of our experience.
Conscious creators of our own destiny.
Finding new directions.
We have no fear. We thrive in a culture of awareness and togetherness. We are a society of enlightenment
We are world-class professors
who believe in the power of the human connection to create a better world. We choose
intellectual exploration.
and culturally diverse collaboration.
I draw from the sea of inspiration and sow seeds to create a sustainable future.
We choose sustainability. We choose to be one with our world, to connect with the global community. We bring the world's best artists to Los Angeles, and we never stop learning. We choose this pathway to success.
I choose will and dedication,
I choose personal growth,
one class.
one class at a time.
I am proud to be SMC.